Toto files lawsuit against Prick in Niger State. Prick when enter Bekus, they cry for help. Prick and Toto News. Yomi Plate Liquors Association of Nigeria have raised concern that the way Bekus owners leave their Bekus unkept could lead to them not wanting to lick plate again. This licking of plate is highly recommended for Prick owners so that they can mop the heavy outpour of water flowing in the Bekus during knacking with their prick after using tongue to lick plate. Prick when enter Bekus, they cry for help as he no gree unplug from the Bekus when he plug in. An eyewitness where he hear the man they shout for help enter the room come see say the prick no fit comot from the Bekus as they never see this kind thing before where prick go just lock inside Toto no fit come out again. Na so dem rush the prick and the Toto go hospital for ambulance, but doctor talk say this one don't pass their power. Government they advise prick owners make them dey careful, make they mind how they plug prick inside Toto. The thing must wet well and there must be hope to be able to withdraw the prick after plugging it in. If not, man no go smile after choking prick inside Toto. Toto files lawsuit against Prick in Niger State. Police don't arrest one man for Niger State when he almost buy one woman on top totalization. They ask am wetin happen. Him talk say Toto too sweet. Now wetin happen be that. The case dey court now and the woman they charge big money for compensation.